Eggs, come on, we all love them, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So today, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to cook eggs, scrambled and fried. I'll start the fried egg first, and then I'll go straight to the scrambled egg. So, gently heat that pan, just gently. If you start cracking eggs into a cold pan, whatever pan it is, it's gonna stick. So get some heat in there, okay? I like to start with a tiny drop, just a tiny drop of oil. Literally, just a touch. And then from there, a little knob of butter. Now, butter goes in. And before I do anything else, melt that butter. Turn the heat down. Season that butter. So my egg's seasoned underneath. Touch of salt, touch of pepper. Get my egg, crack it on a flat surface, and then literally drop it down, open it up, and crack that into the pan. Now, back onto the heat, generate a touch of your heat, nice and gentle, and just gently shake that. And that helps that non-stick to work its magic. Now, look at it, it's starting to blister and bubble, the heat's getting in. I'm gonna turn the heat back down now. Now, hear that noise? That's the chef's dream. Let that blister on the outside. But look, gently move it. I like a touch of chili flake on my fried egg. Just a touch. And then all I do now is literally get the butter, shake that gently, and just baste the egg whites around the yolk. And look, that helps cook. Sometimes with that raw egg white around the yolk, it's uncomfortable. And the best way is to take the spoon and just baste your egg. And look, that blistering is beautiful. And look, bring it onto a cold surface. That'll help separate. And then underneath, if you want your eggs over easy, you flip that. I like my yolk really nice and runny. Shake, shake, shake. Now, when we come to serve, spatula, drain off your egg. Beautiful, glides out the pan. Set that on there. And there we have a beautiful, stunning, delicious fried egg. But look, runny yolk, nice, crispy, delicious egg white. And when you finish it with that little touch of chili flake, it elevates that amazing flavor. Now, scrambled egg. Start off in a cold pan. And the secret here is the working. When you go on and off the heat, eggs overcook instantly. Now, crack the eggs. Now, the secret of any good scrambled egg is in stopping the eggs from overcooking. We never whisk our eggs before we cook them. It turns the whole thing grainy. 2, 4, 6 beautiful whole eggs. Now, we go onto the stove. From there, I take a couple of knobs of butter. On with the heat, spatula, and we start stirring. And the most important part here now, okay, is breaking up those eggs. As you can see, I'm using the plastic scraper. And the beautiful thing about this HexClad pan is you can see how clean I'm wiping around, bringing the eggs back down into the mixture. So I'm on the heat now. I've got no seasoning in there, okay? I'm starting to generate the heat. You can see the eggs starting to cook. I'm 60 seconds on, I come off now. I clean down the side of my pan, I whisk it back in, and there is a secret, making sure that you're folding everything from that pan, cleaning the sides. And so I've got maximum yield on the eggs. I'm off for 30 seconds, I go back on. I turn the gas down, and we whisk. Look at the eggs, how quick that's cooked. They come off, I fold them in. Now to stop them from overcooking, a little touch of creme fraiche. In we go, fold that in, and now is the moment I start to season my eggs. The creme fraiche cools my scrambled eggs down, lightly seasoned, the gas is off. I've still got that heat inside my pan, but the eggs are light and fluffy and seasoned. Look at the color of those yolks. I like a light sort of onion flavor, and all I do here is just put some nice, beautiful chopped chives running through. Incredible. Sprinkle the chives on top, fold them in, And look, they just sit there nicely. There's no water. The color's incredible. And look at this, scrambled egg. And when you make scrambled eggs like this in a stunning non-stick pan, there's no waste. And look. And there we have a beautiful, stunning, amazing scrambled egg that screams perfection. A big thank you to HexClad.